She want a little sun. You know, they love that little sun once they get that hardback Papalay. Pull them out there and get a little sun, man. Something about that connection, man. They ride a little smoother, man. Purr a little better. Sunday. Okay. The next step is to drop the tank. We got to remove the tire. You get to the tank, clean it out, put it back on, then clean out the fuel injection system, and then we'll get our first test start. But we got the battery in, all ignition, everything back working properly. We're rocking and rolling. So bro, here's your gas tank right here. We just did a little research to figure out you have to take the rear bumper fascia off to be able to access the gas tank right here. It's a little expensive work versus us just thinking we can just drop this down. So I'm gonna send you this video and give you a call to see how far you want me to go with it. It's actually the sending unit, fuel pump mounts at the bottom, which is right there. And it sits inside of the tank. You see all the corrosion, the rust and everything. This is the new fuel sending unit with the new fuel pump attached and filter versus the old one. Look at it. This is an 88 Corvette that this is going in. We had to drop the tank, drain it, clean it. Once we did that, we noticed the condition of the fuel sending unit and pump assembly. We ordered a brand new one from Eccles on a dealer, and now we're going back into the tank. That's flushing the gas out. You seen them shooting the air in the back. Flushing that tank out with any old contaminants. It ain't nothing else coming out now. So these are the new gas straps going on. The old gas straps, the bolts were so rotted out, they broke. We had to get new gas straps. Those are the new gas straps, man. Which will actually hold the gas tank in place. Okay, now you can see gas tank going back on for the 88 Corvette family heirloom that we're doing. We got both of the gas straps, that's one. Here's the other. You know, as Mr. Tom bring it on down, get it to fit, then put a nut on it and tighten it down. As you can see, we got the brand new fuel sending unit as well as the fuel pump on the inside. We cleaned the tank internally, got it all out. It haven't been started in a few years, so wanted to do it the right way. The car got 58,000 miles on it, so everything's good. You've seen us spray out the fuel lines to get all the fuel lines out. I already told you we cleaned the tank out, so now we're going back in with the fuel tank, put some gas in it and see if we can get it fired. That's what we live for, man. Hey man, that motherfucker running pretty goddamn smooth not to be ran in, 3+ years. So those 58,000 miles, man, there's a good chance, baby, these motherfuckers are legitimate. start working on them, they tell a different story. They tell you the whole story, rather. See the door panel once we got the door back. Once we got the door panel off, you see it's the same color as the car. Look at this door over here on this side. Yeah, it's different. So we noticed that the door here had a separate trim from everything else on the car. Well, we know that this door was replaced and they never replaced the trim. So yeah, you can see on the back side of where the mirror is painted the same color. So this wasn't the original door on the vehicle. They probably got in an accident and replaced it.